What happening? I'm gonna make me make me a couple of these birch, like call them scrolls. I'm gonna start up here. Let's see here. Start going at an angle. You gotta be like really careful when you do it because this stuff's kind of fragile. But if you do it right, you're mindful. It's pretty easy to do, relatively. And look, the thinner you get the spiral, the longer of a scroll you're gonna have. So it's better to get thin, but then that's also the more likely it is to splinter. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Splinter or fray. Let me switch positions real quick. So I got a little bit more leverage, and look, I got these two round surfaces working together against each other, kind of. But to force multiply my efforts here. And thinking strategic and smart, it's like work smarter, not harder. You know what I'm saying? That old saying. You know what? I'm gonna go all the way. I'm gonna try to go all the way. Firm. See, I want to keep going back, man, to tighten these up. Eventually get them going parallel as possible. Start tapering them down a little bit.
Listen, this is a lion sign and wonder. He stopped people coming over the border. Tell me that ain't planned.
Yeah. It isn't even true.
So that's a lion sign and wonder.
Everything. Tupac hologram. Tupac, you're the freaking hologram. Anyway, it's all good. We're full conspiracy around these parts. Ain't taking nothing off the table. Ain't plot. Look at that nice, beautiful spiral pattern here. Well, what about? What we got for 3? Got to keep this. Try to keep this under 15. So maybe step up the pace. But look, moving too fast sometimes it's going slow. Cause you mess stuff up. Takes more time to fix. You get less productivity. So sometimes it's better just to be mindful and deliberate up from the get. There is the time for it. It's good to go. Do that quick sometimes. It's good to go. Hey, look, you know what I love about this too with the saw motion? Like that's like punching somebody. You got this resistance on it, right? It's a low impact workout. You get that freaking, that 1-inch punch. That pop, that snap. It's a good way to get the pop and the snap. Or the snap and the pop, whatever, however you want to say it. deep on there. See, these, you got to be careful on these knots and the imperfections. Sometimes that'll fuck it up. That's what you really got to be mindful of. The knots and imperfections. Like right there, it started to fray a little bit. I'm gonna go back to the sitter for a second. Well, actually, I might need to split it now. Turn it around. See, and also when you saw, you want to make sure you hit down to that bottom layer of that paper skin bark. Because all it takes is one little tiny piece that's still connected, and it'll unravel it, and you won't get the perfect piece, perfect cut, you know what I'm saying? Kind of bad over here. Kind of thin. Might lose it. Yeah, this stuff is going to be kind of tricky. You want to make sure you get every single layer under there every time, or it start to fray out on you. As long as you make sure you get the stuff all the way down to the inner bark, it'll come on, it'll unravel for you. And this is really thin bark right here. It's like not very great of a piece at the same time too. I need something a little duller too, because using this razor blade, whoa, is bad news, man. This type shit right here, because all I got to do is make a minor mistake. Ooh, it's coming now. There it goes. Like a flathead screwdriver would be great for this, what I'm doing right here. I listen to birds going to town. Oh. Nice. There's a lot of medicinal qualities to birch, man. I don't know the specifics, so you'd have to do your own research on that, but for my dabbles in it. I've definitely heard it more than once. But to know, the specifics and all the details, I don't know at the moment. So I'm not going to say. It's just PFI, buddy. PFI, pending further investigation. Just like they try to do to us, we be doing that to them. Ooh, losing it. See, this wood's pretty bad deteriorated. Once the wood on the inside starts deteriorating, it starts rotting from the inside out. The skin's the last thing to go, but look, the weaker parts of it will start to rot, and then they bust easier. And then they start to fuse together with the other parts of the tree. It's like a sludge of decomposition. But as long as you're slow and methodical and deliberate like this, even if it's, it's the first time I ever done it like this. But, ooh, yeah, I knew that shit. See, the worst part right here, I might lose it, man, because it's not. Ooh, it's barely hanging on. Yeah, it's barely hanging on. Might lose it. That sucks. Now it's starting to get healthier now. That top is pretty badly deteriorated. Ooh. I just lost a big chunk. Another knot, though. Yeah, learning how to cut around the knots, man. That's where the true skill of this particular stuff is. I'm saving there. A couple of these pieces. Probably make some tea out of it. See what happens. I'm at. Let me see where I'm at. Oh yeah, look. And I love this kind of design right here, how it leaves down the stick, dude. The rest. That spiral. Like, it kind of looks like snake skin a little bit.